All right, now.
Now clamp it on that, and then just kind of. You need to tighten that really tight. Yeah, let me put all my weight on it.
Twisting it. Oh, I got it.
All right, we need to untwist it.
No, not yet. A little bit more.
You ready?
Yep, untwisted.
Don't you want to untwist it and like put it back in there, or is it getting too cold?
That's kind of, yeah, it's getting too cold, but it's a lot straighter than what it was before.
Yeah, then we can just straighten it out by hitting it now.
Yeah.
We can just hit it, straighten it.
We'll keep yours centered now, right under the flame.
Yeah, get it towards like all in there. 'Cause I want to get like the full sword going now.
It's not all in there. Once we get that tip finished, we'll straighten that out.
Yeah. We'll get that straightened out to where it can almost already be formed, but then we'll start forming out the back.
Yeah. We'll have to work our way down. Then we have to get the tip flattened down all the way together, not completely forward, but partially, and then that will
Yeah.
be where we hold on to it.
Because then as we hold on to it, it might automatically forge on itself.
And you're on record, and I hit yours the next time.
Are you going to hit my metal?
I want to hit yours.
That's my katana.
I'm gonna hit some.
Yeah, well, you should have thought of that before the air quenched your body over there.
Yeah. You want to pull yours out a little bit, Adam?
What?
You want to pull yours out a little bit?
No, I want it to be heating up all the way there. That's what we want right now.
Yeah.
You're putting heat on a place you don't want to put heat right now. Right towards the back.
We want it to get softened up so it can heat up faster each every time. See? We know what we're doing. You don't.
I kind
Jace knows more than me. I know more than you. Get the hot. Okay, Troy wants to hit my metal.
You can hit my metal next time.
There you go.
I just want
Okay, I think I'm gonna get mine out.
Let's go.
Here, Jace, can you record?
I'm the holder.
Well, what am I doing? It's my
Mine's
metal.
will be a while. Troy has to record.
What?
He's hitting his metal, you're hitting my metal.
Yeah, you can hit Jace's metal. You're recording.
So you gotta record. Get your hammer, or you can use the big hammer.
I'm using the big hammer. I've been using the big
Here, wait,
I'm
Jason.
a
I'm gonna
big
show. So this is the process.
Get this bad boy flat.
Alright, that's good. All the way up and start bending it back over.
Where am I hitting right here?
Yeah, you're bending it back over more. Alright, straighten it out.
Right here.
That's it.
Is that straightened?
A little bit more.
Let's.
Couple more of those taps.
Yeah, let's put it back in.
Here, let me get one.
No,
Jason.
No.
You're gonna hit his metal.
If you
That's
hit it,
my sword.
if you hit it too much after it's
Hold.
yeah, you'll give it stress fractures.
We don't want none of
Yeah,
those.
stress the metal, and then it'll be a no good weak blade.
Go get the gas.
Hey Troy, how mad would you be if I just threw this in the fire? Just threw this in.
Is that a pretty good response?
Are you still recording it?
Yeah. Recording as the blades heat up.
Alright, your turn.
Jace, you wanna use these flat clamps or those?
These. Hard as you can on the tip. You're gonna hit harder than that, can't you? Oh, wow.
Jason hit harder than that with one of his hands.
I put a dent in the freaking thing.
That's
I
what
do that
hitting
all
does.
the time, man.
I put the biggest dent in the anvil.
If I wanted to, I could put a dent through the hammer.
Through the
Alright,
anvil.
watch.
No, don't actually do that. He'll break the hammer and the hammer.
So that hammer's already broke.
Yeah. My dad's strong enough to crack hammers in half with hits.